What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Drizzling Tom here. What's up, Drizzle Squad? Coming at you with another food review. Today we're reviewing a Mountain Dew Violet. Now this is from China, or not China. Where's it from? Japan. This is from Japan. We're on a Japan kick lately. So this is from Japan. Here's the ingredients. Alright, you got them good stuff? Alright, it's with great flavor. That's what it says. So let's try this out. I guess I can open this. Yep, alright, there we go. That wasn't that hard. Alright, smells kind of like cough syrup. But let's try this out. It's alright. It's better than a lot of the foreign sodas I've had. I'm gonna give this a 3.5 out of 5. 3.5 out of 5. It's not the best Mountain Dew, but it's better than most soda I'd expect to drink from Japan. So I'm gonna just give it 3.5 out of 5, 3.5 out of 5. And that's gonna wrap this video up. So make sure you comment, you like, you share, subscribe, because we're trying to grow. All right, thanks, peace.